Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting journey into the past. Scotland is a country with a fascinating history. This amazing collection, some of the rarest and oldest photos of Scotland and its people, offers a bird's-eye view of Scottish history. We'll be using modern technology to facilitate our journey back in time. Hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So, this incredible time travel opportunity starts right now.
Actually, I think it's more in the nature of the Scots to be adventurous and broad-minded. There are not many parts of the world where you will not find a Scottish.
It was on a Friday evening, I was down on Ashton Lane, feeling sorry for myself, busking in the rain. I was singing for my supper, singing for another beer, all the usual hits that punters like to hear. I went into Ginty McGinty's, Jim Cassidy was there. His coat was ripped and his tooth was chipped, but he didn't seem to care. You're a sorry sight, I told him as he swayed from side to side. And I'll tell you what, my friends, I wasn't far behind. And he said, tell me what's your name again, I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine. Sure that I was the next day, and oh how my stomach turned. I was thinking of the drinking and the bridges that I'd burned. I woke up with odd shoes on, saying how did it come to this? But I don't remember, and you know they say ignorance is bliss. So I looked around, there's Jim again, he's crawling across the floor, looking for his marbles that he lost the night before. And there in the bed beside me, much to my surprise, was a wee face that I could have sworn that I recognised. So I said, tell me what's your name again, I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine. Well, the drowning of your sorrows is good fun for a while, listening your morals in true Glaswegian style. You talk a load of naan bread, every man's your friend. Then the next day you wake up and say, I'll never drink again. And some are mad for the whiskey, some prefer the beer, some will do just about anything for even stronger gear. But me, I swore I was off it, I swore I was gonna stop. No, no, I say never again will I touch another drop. Oh, but that was now a week ago, and I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow, and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine. Oh, will you tell me what's your name again? I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine.
And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this presentation enjoyable. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for the incredible support you've shown us. It's because of your amazing feedback, comments, and likes that we're able to continue creating content that I hope you'll love. Take care and have a great day.